Did you know the average new car price just hit $48,000? That's a staggering amount, especially when you consider that just a few years ago, the average price was significantly lower. That's more than a year's rent in some places. Imagine having to choose between a roof over your head and a reliable mode of transportation. It's a tough decision many families are now facing. Cars used to be within reach for most families. They were a symbol of freedom and mobility, a milestone of the American dream. Now they're becoming a luxury item. What's going on? Why has something so essential become so unattainable for the average person? We're diving deep into the reasons behind skyrocketing car prices. From supply chain disruptions to increased material costs, there are multiple factors at play. From the factory floor to the dealership lot, we'll expose the factors driving up costs. It's not just about the price of steel or labor, it's about a complex web of economic and social issues. Buckle up because it's a wild ride. We'll explore how these rising costs are affecting not just new car buyers, but the entire automotive market, including used cars and leasing options. This isn't just about numbers on a page, it's about real people struggling to afford a basic necessity. Families are having to make tough choices, and the impact is far-reaching. We'll hear from economists, industry experts, and everyday consumers feeling the pinch. Their insights will help us understand the broader implications of this trend and what it means for the future of car ownership. Remember the days of affordable cars? In the 1950s, you could snag a new set of wheels for a couple $1,000s. Those days are long gone. Car prices have been steadily climbing for decades, but recently they've gone through the roof. What changed? A perfect storm of factors is to blame. Manufacturing costs have soared, thanks to rising material prices and supply chain disruptions. Remember the chip shortage? Yeah, that's still a thing. Let's break it down. Building a car isn't cheap. Steel, aluminum, plastic, the price of everything has gone up. Then there's the cost of labor, transportation, and those fancy computer chips we mentioned. But wait, there's more. Car companies are packing vehicles with more technology than ever before. Touchscreens, lane assist, self-driving features, these add-ons come with a hefty price tag. And let's not forget about good old-fashioned supply and demand. With fewer cars available, dealerships can charge a premium. It's a seller's market out there, folks. Section 4. Expert Opinions, What the Pros Say. In this section, we delve into the insights provided by industry professionals and economic experts to understand the current car price crisis. Their perspectives shed light on the complexities of the situation. We asked industry analysts and economists to weigh in on this car price crisis. Their collective expertise offers a comprehensive view of the factors driving the surge in car prices. The global supply chain is a mess, says automotive expert Sarah Jones. She explains that disruptions in the supply chain have led to significant delays and shortages in car production, which in turn have driven up prices. Until that's fixed, we can expect prices to remain volatile. The instability in the supply chain means that car prices will continue to fluctuate unpredictably, making it difficult for consumers to plan their purchases. Economist Michael Lee agrees, adding, "Inflation is also playing a role." He points out that the overall rise in prices across various sectors has contributed to the increased cost of cars. Everything is more expensive, and cars are no exception. The combined effect of supply chain issues and inflation has created a perfect storm, leading to higher car prices. Consumers are feeling the pain. Many are finding it challenging to afford a new car, and the stress is palpable as they navigate the current market conditions. "I just need a reliable car to get to work," says single mom Maria Garcia. Her story is a common one, as many families are struggling to find affordable transportation amidst the price hikes. But with these prices, it feels impossible. The frustration and helplessness felt by consumers like Maria highlight the urgent need for solutions to address the car price crisis. Section 5. The Road Ahead, Navigating Rising Car Prices. So, what's the solution? There's no easy answer. The car market is in a state of flux and consumers are feeling the pinch. Prices for both new and used cars have skyrocketed, leaving many potential buyers in a quandary. Some experts predict prices will eventually stabilize. They believe that as supply chain issues resolve and production ramps up, the market will correct itself. Others aren't so optimistic, citing ongoing economic uncertainties and potential long-term shifts in consumer behavior. In the meantime, consumers are left to navigate this challenging market. Families, individuals, and businesses alike are all trying to make the best decisions with the information available. Should you buy now or wait it out? This is a question on many minds. The fear of prices rising even further is pushing some to make hasty decisions, while others prefer to wait, hoping for a better deal in the future. Is a used car a better option? With new car prices soaring, many are turning to the used car market. However, even used car prices have seen significant increases, making it a tough call. These are tough questions with no right or wrong answers. Each individual situation is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. One thing's for sure, the days of cheap and cheerful cars are over. The market has shifted, and consumers need to adapt to this new reality. Get ready for a future where car ownership is a luxury, not a given. As we move forward, being informed and flexible will be key to navigating these turbulent times in the car market.